So I'm working on this project. I'm running into an issue. Who's gonna record me? I don't have like a film guy. It's just me holding a camera. So the idea is a little bit of sugar, this, a little bit of spice like that mount. Ideally, he should be a great cameraman. Like Astro, follow me. Looking. Yeah, so now he'll just follow me wherever I go. So if I attach the Osmo to him, which already has the face tracking, so that keeps my face in line, Astro, stay. So then I'm just gonna add the pole, and then he should be able to follow me everywhere I go. Is the same thing as the taser. Just a GoPro mount stuck to the bottom and another arm. That's not going nowhere. One zip tie. That's all. Okay, the taser's facing it. If you don't have a pair of rusty scissors lying around, you're not an engineer. Astro now has an Instapol. She already has a Astro raised periscope. Already has this thingy, and honestly, you could probably it's not that much smaller than a 360 camera, but or like the Osmo itself, but you'd have to fit it into Astro lower periscope. You'd have to fit it inside of this little tube. My finger for reference. Whip. We have the full Iron Man armor on the camera right now, just in case. Now he's tall enough. Can't even get him in frame. Perfect. Because look, right now I have to hold the camera to put a camera on the thing that already has a camera. Alright, GoPro mount. If you break, I'm going to be so heated. This is not sturdy at all. We're going to need to fix it. What if I just put a bolt? I think you need a bolt, bro. Lights! Ha! That bolt might be a little big. I don't know. Still screwed. There we go. Astro, are you ready? Astro, are you ready? Oh, Astro's in Insta360 mode. Look at that. Okay, so here's where the real magic comes in. Let's turn this camera on. Follow me. Now I have my own cameraman, okay? See where we've been working with this? It's to defend himself? Bzz, gotcha. Let's go this way. Let me enjoy my Astro. Raised periscope. Ha! Mine's better. I guess there is danger of him smacking the camera on something close, but should be kind of good. Come on, Astro. I think this is the best cameraman you could ever have. You don't gotta, you don't gotta pay him nothing. Look, always attentive, always attentive. I could be doing anything right now. I could literally, hold on, let me. I'm around the corner, you can't see me. What's up, bro? Now I have my own cameraman, and everyone else is fired. This is where things are gonna get though. So we have a drone. My drone follows me. I don't have to do anything. What cameras? I saw a little thing that like a dolly for a camera that can do little it goes pretty slow and stuff. But at this point, look, always close shots. No matter where I'm going, bumps might not be the best, but if you need a filmer and you're paying them what, $1,000 a week, or you get an Astro and you pay $1,000 once and you put a screw in them. Watch, you'll even go up. See this little step thingy right here? All right, come on. Oh, you almost smacked the camera. Well, so I was gonna put the DJI on top, like the Osmo, and have it do face tracking too, but this is wiggling a lot. I mean, I could fix it. It's not really really worth it. It's got stabilization in the camera already. So I think the next call is making a better robot. I could make a robot that literally just its entire job is to just follow you and be a camera. But at that point, like this thing already has a camera in it. There's not really a point in me rebuilding the wheel in that aspect. But it's pretty sick. And if I really needed to, it's still recording too. If I really needed to, like take them outside, take them to places, like just have them walk around and just record the people and see what's going. That would be a cool use of this. Just have Astro walk around and talk to people and break my camera. Okay, he stays looking at me though too. Even if you had a camera that was like point and shoot and you just mounted it to his face, it would still work.